This is the future.
Okay, so firstly, a very, very warm good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Welcome to IMTEX.
Thank you.
So, before we begin, I would like to ask, what is your name?
My name is Amit Kumar.
So, I would like to let you know that we are here at Shubhline Automation Pvt Ltd, which is India's first ever heavy-duty double-column manufacturing machinery center. And here we have our new model, right? So, I would like to ask you, what do you think about this model?
Of Prostar, which is, I think, India is one of the biggest machine in Pune. To one of our customer named Dynamic Industries.
Okay.
So that is, I think, that is the biggest machine of yours. So machine quality, it is very cost effective compared to other imported machines.
Yeah,
So,
of course, because it is being manufactured in India.
Yeah. This is and 100% is a purely make in India project.
Yes.
So we all need to support.
Yes, absolutely. So, sir, you're already working with
I think
Shubhline Automation.
at this platform also in this hall, this is one of the biggest machine, I think.
Yes,
This is one of the biggest
absolutely.
machines.
So, sir, could you tell me what are your favorite features about our products?
What I have observed that the feedback from the customer is very good. There are multiple repeat orders for to Prostar. So that is the result. That machine must be good.
All right, sir. So,
Thank
so
you.
far it seems that you're happy
Yes,
and satisfied with the service of Shubhline
Yes,
Automation.
100% recommendable.
All right, sir. It was lovely having a chat with you.
Thank you.
Have a very good afternoon.
Thank you.